Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Be Healthy and Hygienic. How are y'all? Hope y'all are good.
Today we are gonna share a very exciting and of course viral video about how to make Dalgona coffee.
Hey, wait. Have a look. What a texture. Wanna try it? So what are you waiting for? Come along.
Let's start. We need here 2 tablespoons of coffee powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of very hot water.
Beat them all together with the help of whisker, fork, or spoon. Around 5 minutes. Until it becomes so fluffy and creamy.
See, the color has changed. Look at the texture. That's exactly what we need.
Now it's time to serve. Put some ice cube into the cup and pour some milk on the rocks.
Top with the whipped coffee.
Wow, looks amazing. So yummy.
And now, put some cocoa powder on it. Stick a straw in and serve. Mix well and enjoy.
Now
taste the thunder. Wow, it looks so
yummy,
delicious, fantabulous. I can't wait to enjoy the sip. You guys must try it.
Bye
Bye-bye.